All right there. Hey y'all, Tedra Chanel here. In today's video, I am doing a pretty little thing haul. Now, I had 2 bags. Somebody ripped them open over there. But I'm just gonna show you guys what I picked up. And I'm thinking about, so I'm in the teleconference room and I don't even know what I ordered. And I don't know if there's cameras in here, so I'm kind of afraid to like change. But I really would like to do a try on haul for you guys. Hold on, let me get the pieces together. Oh my Lord, what did I order? You ever order so much stuff and you're like, what happened? What did I order? So first things first, I know a lot of you are gonna wanna know about the shipping process. Did it take forever? Did I get scammed? Pretty sure I got all of my things. I think I ordered on Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't remember, but last week, Tuesday, Wednesday-ish of last week, and it shipped out the next day. I placed 2 orders same day. And originally it was supposed to be delivered Saturday, but the office is closed. So everything came today, and today's Monday. So I didn't have any issues. Pretty sure I got all of the stuff that I ordered. Everything seems to be copacetic, you know, but we'll see. So first thing that I got is this blazer. And if I remember, I'm gonna try to put a picture of the model next or on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like on the model. I do not know what these things are for. What are these things for? Does anybody know? Wait. Oh, let me read. It says, please do not remove unless you are satisfied. Oh, returns. It's for return purpose. I always wonder when I would see these on people's clothes. Let me try to put this down. So I was like, what is that string? Okay. All right, so we're gonna try this on. I got almost everything in an extra large. Ooh, this is big. Because I wasn't really sure. I just assumed that everything would be like cheap and run small, but so far, this is a little big. But you know, this is a, how did you, oh, I see. This is a blazer. And I literally just pulled it out of the package. And I'm trying to figure out how can I angle y'all so y'all can see. But I just got it out of the packaging, so it's very regal. So this is an extra large. I could have gotten this in a large, I think. But because it's a blazer, we can make it work with the oversized look. This is it. I'm thinking I don't like the lighting. That's what I'm thinking. So the next thing I picked up is these warm-ups, and I got the matching crop. Now I think I ordered 2 of these crops. I'm pretty sure. Let me see what the other one is. Yeah, I did. On accident, and I didn't realize it until it was too late. And so they're like, listen, once you place an order, tough nuggets. So it was only $11, so it wasn't a biggie. So I'm gonna try these on. I got, like I said, everything with the exception of one thing in extra large. Now I am 5'9", and I'm like a size 16 for now, but I'm going on this weight loss journey. Y'all will hear about that next. So what typically happens, because I'm so tall and I'm ashy, so is when it comes to warm-ups, I have to pull them up because otherwise they're too short. Here is the top, and it's a crop. So even for us fat girls, this still works. Extra large in black, as we can see. So let me try to step back. So this is super cute. I knew that I would really like this though. Very comfortable, doesn't feel cheap. I hate cheaply made stuff. Not mad. Like, I think with these two pieces added together it's like 20 bucks. Not bad at all. Then it says pretty little thing. I need to get some that says T Chanel. Hashtag branding. Oh, hope they're not gonna be too big. These are super cute. They have the mesh on here, branding on the sides. Ooh. And then I got the don't put anything on it. The matching top bra, rather. Okay, how does this go? I'm kind of afraid. I'm afraid. Yeah, it's extra large, but yikes. Okay, so I'm not gonna put this on for obvious reasons, but I'm trying to get it together. This is, but so if you have big boobies, this isn't going to work for you, but I don't. So here are the leggings. The inseam, they're kind of sagging right here. They're just too big. But we'll make it, you know. So clearly I needed a large in these. Did I put it on backwards? No. Did I? Oh, no, I didn't. But still cute. The mesh, the back. Yeah. So again with the length, but this, they're too big. If I had a sewing machine, I could fix them. But yeah, so that's that. So here's the next. Okay. What the? Okay, so here's the next dress. I put on my shapewear for this, which I also got too big. My shapewear, I'm not telling y'all where I got it. It doesn't matter because customer service is terrible. But I got it too big also. But this is the dress. This fits. It's a cute button detail with a little slit. Buttons down the sleeve. This is cute. Giving me winter vibes, fall vibes, but we can still make it work for spring and summer, right? All according to how we accessorize it. So this bra would not work. We need a seamless bra under this, so we don't have this going on. Yeah, this is, I think this is cute. Minus the bra, ignore that. This is cut pretty low, you know, so this bra just isn't working today for any of it. But this is a cute bandage dress. Turn out really cute. I can't even really see. I should need my mirror. I think it's cute. I need better shapewear and lose 60 pounds, but I think this is really cute. I knew that I would like. Now this I got in a large. Thank God. Had it been extra large, it wouldn't work. This is cute and it tapers at the knee. That's very cute. So I like this. I think this was, I don't think I paid more than $20 for anything. So I grabbed this little, dang, everything is so big. Well, just know that everything is true to size. I got this little tank dress, little midi dress. It's too big on the sides. But it was like 10 bucks. Actually, it was 5 with the discount. So I just grabbed this, you know, because it's about to be hot in Texas. I got this in green and in black. I forgot how that goes. But this is what this looks like. It's cute. Now this is a size 16. Some of their stuff comes in like number sizes and others come small, extra large, that sort of thing. This is a 16. I lose some weight. But yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna try on the black one because it's the exact same. This, I am so scared to try it on. Now, what kind of fabric is this? It doesn't say. This is a size 16 also. It's like a jersey knit, kind of, sort of feels like. So I'm gonna see if I can get this on, but I think I'm gonna get makeup all on it, so I'm scared. It's a little loose, I could use some tailoring. It's cute. Extra large also. I just got it for this extraness over here. Definitely gotta wear a black strapless brassiere. I just thought this was so cute. It is thick. I feel like everything that I ordered is wintry. So I'm probably not gonna have an opportunity to wear most of it until next season, next winter, but I'm not mad at any of it. So yeah, this little number is probably my fave, along with the sweatsuit. It's too big, but because it has a tie, I can make it work. And I don't know how this is supposed to go. Just pin this. And I think. Yeah, it's definitely big. I just thought the flowers were so pretty and feminine, but it's too big. But I think with some tailoring, y'all know how I know how to sew a little bit because my mom was a seamstress, so I know how to finesse when things don't fit properly. I mean, somebody would get this and would love for all this to be out. That's not me. Could have gone down a size. That would have been best. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty. So overall, my experience with Pretty Little Thing, I have no sweating. This is hard work. How people do this? Tag. I really have no beefs. I got my stuff way sooner than it was estimated. I got everything that I ordered, and I'm not mad at the quality of anything. I think the quality of everything is pretty dope. Yeah, and I'm a stickler for quality and, you know, different materials and whatnot, because my mom was a designer. I know a lot about fabric, way more than I should know, just growing up with my mom. But yeah, not mad at any of it. I just wish that maybe I should have like Picked up some more springish, summerish attire, but this stuff, you know, it's cute and it'll work for another week or so. And while it's still cool out, but I'll definitely be patronizing Pretty Little Thing at least one more time to pick up some spring and summer items. And as long as I get my stuff, I just, you know, I have no complaints. But I do know that I would never order from Fashion Nova. I do know that much. And I also know that some people had some issues with Pretty Little Thing. Thank God that is not my story. So anyway, I will do my best to link everything down in the description. I'm not sponsored. I paid for this myself. But I'll do my best to kind of link things down in the description, just in case any of you are interested. My favorite pieces, I love the white dress. I like everything, but I love the white dress. I love the black bandage, and I really do love the sweatsuit, mainly because that's me in real life every day. I'm in some leggings, I'm in some sweats. That's just, you know, that's how I prefer to dress. This stuff I have to really get used to doing all over again. Y'all know I am going back into real estate sales full time. I was kind of behind the scenes doing rentals. I didn't have to leave my house. I didn't have to just dress up. I didn't even have to get out of my pajamas. But now that I'm out in the field again, working with clients, I gotta look. I can't wear my PJs. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little haul with me. Comment down below if you patronize Pretty Little Thing, and let me know what some of your favorite pieces are so I can check them out as well. Talk to y'all later.